and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to crochet this cute little puffy flower. So for this tutorial we need yarn of two colors, a crochet hook, a pair of scissors and a tapestry needle. So let's begin to start. First of all, we will make a magic ring and we will do 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3, and we will insert our hook into the magic ring and we will make a half double crochet. Now chain 1 and make another half double crochet into this magic ring. Make 6 double crochet and a chain between these half double crochets. When we complete 6 half double crochet, then slip stitch into our very first half double crochet stitch. In the second chain we will make a slip stitch. Now we will make 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull up a loop. We will pull up 10 loops and then yarn over and pull up all these loops like this and make a chain to lock. Then make 3 chains and slip stitch into the same space. Then next stitch make a slip stitch and do 3 chains, yarn over and pull up 10 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull all these stitches and make a chain to lock. Then make 3 chains and slip stitch into this same space. Now when we complete our 6 petals, this is our last petal. We will do the same 3 chains, pull up loops 10 times and yarn over, pull up all these stitches on your hook and make a chain to lock. Then make again 3 chains and slip stitch into this space. Into the next stitch make a slip stitch and make a chain, then cut off the yarn. Now the flower is ready. We will now hide the strings behind the flower with the help of a needle. When we hide our yarn, then cut off The flower is ready. Now we will make the center of the flower. Pick up the pink yarn and make a slip stitch. Then make a single crochet into this stitch and make 10 loops and cut the yarn here and now a little puff is ready. We will pick up our flower and with the help of crochet we will pick the strings behind the flower. Now we will make a knot to join the puff into the center of the flower. Now cut the strings. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.